You like it? It does all kinds of stuff. It dances and whoa.
And it can even go on cell phone.
Yeah, it's got a remote. You like it? Want to open it up? Hold on, hold on. Let's see if we can get the...
Boy, that is the best life ever.
Yep, and Evan told me this morning. What did you tell me this morning about Christmas? What did you say? This is the best, most awesome Christmas ever, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the best Christmas ever.
Hold on.
No, stop. Paul loves that thing.
Mm-hmm. Santa did a good job bringing presents, didn't he?
Yeah. I think he's still working.
Think so? I think he's done
I think he's working on some more presents.
for next year already, huh?
Yeah.
This job never ends.
Yeah. Not even Easter. It never ends.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's just not be willy-nilly with the scissors, son.
I'm not.
It's a little harder than it looks. My love. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Let go.